Motion-based mold design validates engineering decisions before steel cutting. This automotive mold combines stripper plates with multiple side actions for reliable part release. The mold is built in a 1-2 layout using HASCO standards with a hot, to, cold runner system. The tall part has strong retention on the rear inserts, making direct ejection unreliable. The stripper plate first pulls the 2 large rear inserts away, completely releasing the clamping force before ejection begins. The front stripper plate then drives 2 side actions through T-slots to release the remaining undercuts. The mold opens. 2 rear side actions complete core pull, and the ejector pins remove the finished part with minimal force. Accurate interlocks on the large side. Actions maintain alignment during molding, improve machining accuracy, and simplify future maintenance. Production stability is engineered, not assumed. Moldevo.